welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be testing out and reviewing the Strands Hair Care kit. Now, I want to give a shout out to Strands Hair Care for partnering with me on this video. And if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts on my actual formulation, keep on watching. So now I actually have my system in, and we're pretty much going to walk through the steps before I actually go ahead and use it. So first up, after you submit your kit, you're definitely going to want to check out part 1, so I'm going to link that somewhere here. So after you submit all of the details for your kit, you are going to get a package that looks like this. That contains my shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm just going to open this up. Hair care based on you, for you. Beautiful hair is a shower away. So now we are going to just take a look at the Strands report. It is the full hair and scalp analysis, which is what we submitted before we got this part of the kit. For the hair analysis, Strands analyzes the breakdown of proteins from your hair to quantify the cuticle conditions. Hair condition is an 8.2, microscopic analysis is a 10, protein analysis 8, hair texture 75.723 UM. I'm not sure what that means. Hopefully they're gonna tell us. Scalp condition is slightly oily. Microscopic analysis, we love our microscopes at Strands. We use this analysis to confirm the condition of your hair cuticle compared to a healthy hair cuticle. So, healthy hair cuticle, they have an image of what it looks like. And then we have 4 images of my hair cuticles. So it says, your hair condition score tells us your hair is in great condition. Our analysis discovered no significant damage in your cuticle. Since your hair is in great condition with no detectable damage and tests show your hair texture is medium and your scalp is slightly oily, we've created the optimal shampoo and conditioner formula for your hair with ingredients personalized based on your hair type, texture, hair and scalp condition, lifestyle, and environment. So now on the next page, we have the scalp analysis, and it says, while the cuticle is very important to hair health, we can't forget about the scalp. So it says, you indicated that your scalp is slightly oily, not a problem. It's natural to have some oil, but we're here to help anyway. Because you have a slightly oily scalp, we included sulfate-free cleansing agents to help remove away the oil. Cool. Personalized tips. Hair care doesn't have to be hard. Enhance your shower experience with these simple tips to help keep your hair healthy and beautiful. So they included some tips, which include scalp care. As a general rule, avoid rubbing your hair and scalp harshly. Not only can this damage your cuticle, but nails can scrape your scalp and cause irritation. Instead, use a scalp brush and gently massage your scalp to stimulate follicle growth while removing dead skin. How often to wash? They said they recommend that I wash my hair every 2 to 3 days to avoid buildup. Grooming, whether you detangle your hair when it's wet or dry, the best way to start detangling knots is by using your fingers because it's faster and less damaging to your hair. After you have cleared any large knots, use your normal comb or brush to detangle further. And healthy hair is naturally shiny, has smooth texture and clean cut ends. The best advice to keeping your strands healthy is to get regular trims, which I do every 3 months is ideal for me. Stick to a washing regimen that works for you and maintain a good diet to boost hair growth. Then my formulations on the back. We use the highest quality ingredients that are SLS, SLES free, paraben free, phthalate free, and dye free. I have this little card which has my suggested use instructions. Apply products to wet hair starting with the roots and working towards the ends. Lather and rinse with water. Repeat as needed. That is for the shampoo. If you are new to sulfate-free products, it is recommended to double wash. Conditioner, apply product to wet hair starting with the mids and working towards the ends. You may need to use a little more product in order to coat your hair. Leave product on for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse with water. Repeat as needed. Product use guide. Our scientists have taken the guesswork out of how much product to use to get optimal results. Below is a usage guide based on your hair length. So if you have short hair, 2 to 3 pumps, shoulder length 4 to 6, and long 6 to 8. So I'm gonna do 4 to 6 pumps for shoulder length hair. So this is what the shampoo looks like. Like I said, this is my custom formula. This is the size of the shampoo bottle, which doesn't really bother me, mainly because I really don't use a ton of shampoo. But this is a 8-ounce bottle of shampoo. Shake well before use. I'm guessing to make sure everything is mixed up nicely. Smells so good. I got the Timeless fragrance. I can't remember like what the notes were, but I need to check that out, but this smells amazing. As the guide said, it said 4 to 6 pumps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I'm doing this correctly because I feel like this was just so little product. So that is what it looks like. I'm gonna emulsify that. Apply that to the front first. And I always make sure I'm doing like the perimeter of my head really well. And then I always want to make sure that I am adding some to the center. And now we are going to go to work. So when you're applying that shampoo, you always want to make sure you're getting the perimeter and working it through. So when I do my shampoos, I'm just using like the pads of my fingers. I never use my nails, ever. And anytime I'm doing a shampoo, I really want to focus on that scalp because that is where we need to get that buildup and dirt from. But the perimeter, especially if you're a girl that wears makeup. I'm going to add a little bit of water and then come back for a second shampoo. So my formula said that I needed to do a second shampoo, but I was gonna do that anyway. So I'm going in for my second shampoo, and again, I'm focusing on the perimeter on my scalp because that is where I need to get the buildup from, the dirt. We wanna make sure that we're getting rid of all of that before we begin the styling process. Always make sure that you're gently separating your hair as well to make sure you're getting shampoo on all parts. Normally, I would let the shampoo formula run down on the actual rest of my hair, but I really like how this feels on my hair, and I cannot wait to show y'all how the curls popped. All right, y'all, so my second shampoo is done, and so far so good. I like what I see, and I say that because my curls are really popping right now, and I haven't even hit them with conditioner. And the fact that I can pull sections of hair apart with no issue, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. We're now gonna move on to conditioner. Also says shake well before use. So we gonna shake that up real quick. So it says, what is it, 4 to 6 pumps? I don't know if that's my thing. This is how much conditioner I have to start. I'm gonna emulsify that, and then I'm just gonna put it all over the hair. I really wish I could smell this because it smells so good. Oh my God, this smells good. So I'm also gonna like break the sections down to like how I would do if I was like applying product or like deep conditioner, just to make it easier for myself. All right, so I've already clipped my hair up and I have conditioner in this section. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, just a little bit. Because now I want to see if I'm going to be able to detangle my hair easily. So I always grab closer to like the ends of the hair, and just begin detangling. And okay, so this conditioner definitely has slip, and she has a good amount of it. So yeah, she's good. This conditioner is good because, like I said, I'm able to just detangle this easily. I'm not pulling, I'm not tugging. I feel like tangle teasers always sound crazy on hair, but other than that, like, there's no strain, I'm not pulling or anything like that to detangle. And to be honest, this section is done. This section is done. Wow, 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 wow. This is how I knew I had a winner with this conditioner. Anytime I'm able to really detangle my hair thoroughly, but also very quickly, it's a plus for me because that means I just shave time off of my routine. Yes. So I'm gonna rinse this out. I'm gonna style my hair, and then we'll be back for the final wrap. So keep watching. All right, y'all, so I'm back. My hair is styled and completely dry. Let's get into it. So the shampoo and conditioner, what I do like is that it is a custom collection. So you will do like the little kit test that they have. They send you that initially, and it'll take like a sebum sample. They'll ask you for like hair samples as well, so that they're able to help configure or formulate the best formula for you for your hair. So that is something that I do like. I really love the shampoo, especially because I really felt like my hair was clean, but also the curls were starting to pop. And that's always something that you want to look for when you are using a shampoo. Your curls should start defining themselves during the shampoo process. My hair didn't feel stripped. I was able to like run my fingers through my hair as well as really section the hair with the shampoo in. And I feel like that's something that we don't normally discuss or nobody ever thinks about. But those are little keys that you want to mention or think of anytime you are using a shampoo. But I feel like because this product is customized, I feel like that's something that was really thought about during the formulation process. So I'm really thankful for that, what I will say. The conditioner I loved as well. I feel like the slip was perfect. I honestly was a little bit surprised, I will say. Partly because I feel like brands, even with this being customized, I feel like conditioners can be very hit or miss sometimes. And I say that because there's not enough silicone or not enough slip to help you detangle properly. Or I feel like there's entirely too much silicone in the formula and it ends up leading to buildup. So I feel like this was like a really good balance of that, and the conditioner really helped me to detangle my hair very easily. Y'all saw it, the brush was slipping through the hair, and that's something that I love to make note of. You always want to make sure it has the right amount of slip, but also that the hair is going to feel really good after using it. I would be using these products again because of the fragrance, the slip, the way my curls defined after using the shampoo, and the detangling process made easy. I definitely will keep these in the shower for future use. Thank you so much to Strands Hair Care for partnering with me on this video. I really did enjoy using the products as well. I really can't get over the fragrance, and the fact that my hair still smells like it after styling is a win to me. But that's really it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed. Of course, try Strands Hair Care for yourself and let me know how your customized formula works for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.